Do you know this situation? You cook something delicious, but end up with a few leftover ingredients that you have to throw away. That's a real shame, isn't it? But that's about to change. We have made it our mission to combat food waste in such situations with the help of new technologies. And that's where FotoChef comes in. With this app, you can easily utilize your leftovers and enjoy new and unique AI-generated recipes. And it's really easy. Download the app, set a few standard ingredients, and then take a photo of your leftover food. You can even just take a photo of the contents of your fridge. Just make sure the food is clearly visible, and the AI will do the rest. It will generate a unique recipe from your ingredients in a matter of seconds. Even if the AI hasn't recognized all the ingredients, that's no problem. Simply edit the ingredient list afterwards and get a new, improved recipe. And the best part is that the app is completely free. So don't waste any time, download FotoChef today, and let's fight food waste together.